Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and here's how to zoom your TradingView chart. Okay, so the first step is to click right here. There are two ways to zoom your TradingView chart. The first and most obvious method is to click right here where it says zoom in and just keep on zooming in, and then you zoom out. Then the second step is to use the zoom tool. Okay, here is the zoom tool. You can see right here it says zoom in, so you can just click on that and then zoom in, and then find a specific section of price action that you want to examine. Let's say this bullish engulfing right here. So you just place the zoom tool, like a rectangle right there, cover that area. However, before you move the tool, you have to right click on your mouse and then hold down the mouse, and then you spread the tool over the area where you want to zoom, and then you release your mouse, and then right there you can see the chart is zoomed in, and you can see this very clearly. Okay, you can use this to view like candlestick patterns, like right here. uh, you know you can use it to view candlestick patterns that would otherwise not be visible. And once you're done zooming in, you can return the chart to its original position by clicking right here by the top, bottom left, sorry, bottom right, where it says auto. Just click there and then you zoom out, and everything will be back to normal. Okay, so that's how to zoom in on TradingView. And if you got some value from this video, kindly like and subscribe, and I'll